We're standing in front of the brand new mural at Fletcher Elementary School, which is the culmination of 18 months of dreaming and planning and listening to our community and students.
The mural feels more like a bunch of artists getting together, having their mind just explore this fantasy world.
What you see behind me, which is our hope that better days are ahead and are here now. We have the child reaching for the stars. Thinking about our time and place, it's truly emblematic and inspiring that their message was of hope, and they want folks to feel hopeful when they come to Fletcher Elementary School.